how to fix screenshot not working in Oppo Reno 14f. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option accessibility. Now click on it and then click on screenshot. Now here you can enable your screenshot gestures. If you turn off these gestures, then turn it on. After that, go back and click on system and update and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.